Hi, this is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Today we're going to be looking at some of my picks for what you should be looking at for this Black Friday at Home Depot. Spend some time going through their flyers and such, and a lot of these products I have seen in the stores and used myself, and there's some of them that are going to be on a great deal come this Friday, and I wanted to make kind of share a little bit of what we've seen there so you can go and save some money at Home Depot this Black Friday. First off, we're going to start off with the Ring. This is their outdoor Wi-Fi camera with motion action and the floodlight. This is a wireless Wi-Fi system that will go and be able to detect motion, turn the lights on, do its thing, record. It's a really cool little system, and we've been playing with the Ring lights here a lot at the office. And coming up this Black Friday, they're going to have a special where this fixture is going to be $190, which, as you can see, is a discount off their regular price. Next, for those Ryobi fans in the crowd, Ryobi's got a lot of tools that are going to be featured during the Black Friday sale here from Home Depot this year. I wanted to feature one tool kit, and this is their 18-volt 1 Plus tool kit. This is a 6-tool kit. The reason I picked this particular one is going to be $199 this Friday. It has the light, which a lot of people can use. It has the driver. It has the drill, which a lot of people would be interested in those, of course. A saw, a reciprocal saw, and it also has a little multi-tool, so you can do some sanding and saw work with that. Just a really nice little kit, a nice combination, and again, it's going to be $199 this Friday at Home Depot. Now, they do have other Ryobi sets that will be on special also. This is not a brushless set, so if you're wanting to be a step up and more advanced in your tools, you're probably going to want to look at brushless technology, but for the average homeowner, this is a great starter set to get into. Up next, we've got the Ridgid. This is their Pro Tool Chest Combo Pack. It's actually 3 different cases all together for one price of $98. First off, we've got the bottom one. This is the Pro Gear Cart Toolbox. It's 22-inch wide cart. Then they add the 22-inch middle toolbox. And when you buy the two, then they throw in the final, which is the Pro Organizer that goes on the very top of it. So it's one cart, and it's going to be easy to move your tools around, and it's all from Ridgid. And again, these 3 pieces will be $98 this Friday at Home Depot. Now, a lot of you probably watched some of our videos where we've talked about different Ryobi tools, and this is one of my personal favorites, even after 3 years. It's been out for a few years, but it's in that 18-volt line, and this is their cordless power inflator for inflating tires and doing a variety of different things. If you need to have that bicycle tire pumped up, or you could do a car, you can. We've used it on our camper even. It has a little gauge built in, so you can run up to 80 pounds in the camper tire is what I've done. It takes a little time, but it'll be on special. Actually, it's right now at this price, so you can go pick it up right now. It's a great little deal, especially if you already have the 18-volt batteries from Ryobi. Black Friday is probably the best time to buy batteries for any tool line out there. And of course, for Black Friday, they're going to have a special deal. Now, this picture is of the 4 amp hour lithium battery here from Ryobi. They're going to have a pack of 2 of these, so 2 4 amp hour batteries, and they are going to be running at $79 for the 2-pack. So you're seeing right here that this is one for $99 on the website. There will be 2 of them for $79. This is pretty cool, but I want to show you this. If you need more power, they also have a 6 amp hour, and now they have a 9 amp hour high capacity battery. Oh my goodness, you put this on some tools and it would last for days. 9 amp hour in the 18-volt system, the 1 Plus system here. And this is not a Black Friday thing, but I just saw this on the website and I had to share this. At $159 for some high capacity batteries, this is pretty cool from Ryobi. Up next, this is probably one of my favorite tools from the Husky brand, which is the house brand for Home Depot. The Husky Stubby wrench and socket set. This little set, I have multiple of these, and these are probably our most used set of tools because you can use them for everything. They're small, 6 inches long is I think how long everything is in that. Just a really small, compact socket set that you can use, again, in a variety of different applications and different needs. Something that every homeowner should have, and right now they are there, and they are at this $19.97 price, even on Black Friday. The key thing is that they're not available all the time. They're only available during this time of year, so make sure you get yourself one if you don't have the Stubby wrench set from Husky. For that handy person on your list, the DeWalt folding knife kit and retractable knife kit here. It's 2 knives in 1 kit. This is a great little kit for those who want to have a very high quality utility knife, because not all utility knives are created equal. This little kit is a special purchase, special buy. It is going to be $12.88 on Friday, but this is kind of a a set you want to be picking up now, because again, they're not going to be available later in the season. And the pricing on this is again $12.88, but it's about $20 off what the regular price would be to buy them individually. Getting back to the batteries, this is a great time again to buy those batteries. We're going to bounce over to the Milwaukee brand, and this is the M18. This is their 18 volt, but it's a 12 amp hour battery. They're really adding a lot of high capacity to these batteries, and this is going to be Black Friday special pricing of $149. So you're going to save $50 off on this. If you've got the Milwaukee tools, this is something you want to check out, because on some of those tools, this again will make it last for days. This is probably going to be the best buy, the biggest discount, I think, of the different things you're going to find at Home Depot. Granted, there's toys and different things that are going to be available, but this is really cool. From Gorilla Ladders, this is a 3-step lightweight steps steel ladder. It's a Type 2, so it only goes up to about 225 pounds. Yes, if you're a little bit bigger than that, it'll still function for you. But Black Friday pricing on this is going to be $14.88, so you're going to save $20 on this. This is going to be one of those doorbusters that people are going to be coming in to get. It's a 3-step lightweight steel ladder, and it's going to be something that homeowners, if you don't have one of these, this is again another must for every homeowner. Next, we've got the Blackstone griddle. This is the 22-inch 2-burner Blackstone griddle that we've talked about a lot, and we use this particular one. I use when I'm cooking for the family. Great griddles, and they're going to be while supplies last on Friday for $99. 22-inch surface. You treat this, you get it ready to go, and you can check our other channel at weekendgriddle.com and see how we got these ready to go. And then it's a great cooking surface for those who want to have that griddle experience over the grill, where you're not going to have the flare-ups and different things. $99 this Friday. And if you buy that, the griddle cover is something you definitely want to invest in also. Plan the $20 to get the griddle cover, so that way you have them together, and it'll make it a lot easier to keep that leaves and things off it when it's sitting outside. Our final pick for Home Depot's shopping here on Black Friday for 2018 is a mechanic tool set from Husky. Now this is a version. Now this is the one that they have on special is going to be $129. It's a special purchase. I wanted to show you a little bit larger picture of it, and this is what it actually is in their flyer, and this is what you're going to see. I actually purchased a variation of this 2 years ago. They're a great little set. It comes with the little storage box. You've got everything there in a case. It's a nice set for having a little bit of everything. And we're going to go back to this picture because this shows a little bit. You've got your screwdriver and the bits. You've got wrenches. You've got sockets. You've got different attachments for your cordless things. A lot of tools in this little kit. My biggest frustration with this is that the drawers are a little bit tough to slide in and out. But beyond that, it's a great kit. And once you're done, you close it up and you're good to go. Definitely a box I would recommend. And this is going to be on special this Friday for $129. Well, that wraps up our look at my suggestions for what you should check out here at Home Depot Black Friday 2018. If you've got anything you found out there, please put that down in the comment section down below if there's something that caught your eye, because we're always looking for great deals and great products out there from our favorite stores like Home Depot. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.